When it comes to installing offset fixtures and tegular ceiling panels, there's the additional hassle and time associated with field cutting and finishing tegular panels. Plus, your tees have to be cut and field routed to accommodate framing around these fixtures. It's not hard to imagine how a large project with many linear fixtures will add significant time and labor to a project budget and schedule. But with a little time and planning for these conditions, FASTSIZE made-to-order panels and grid can eliminate costly time on the job. Get what you need quoted quickly and shipped to the job site. How much time can FASTSIZE save on a project? We wanted to know, so we compared two installations of an offset linear light fixture. In this 4x8 module, a seasoned installer completed 32 square feet of grid and tegular edge panels 3 times faster with FASTSIZE materials compared to standard items that were field modified to fit. Now, if you're thinking, we're just shifting the work from the installer to the estimator, well, we have a solution for that too. ProjectWorks Pre-Construction Services. Give us your RCP and we'll accurately generate all takeoff drawings with the tile and panel schedules, plus the bill of materials, including the right amount of made-to-order items and an estimate so you know exactly what to bid and order for the job. Ready to get started? Contact your distributor or Armstrong rep or visit armstrongceilings.com/FASTSIZE to learn more.